The cryptocurrency market is bouncing back beautifully today. Bitcoin is up, Ethereum's up, Solana is up. We got a lot of good news on the horizon, and things could be getting even better, especially for cryptocurrency adoption. We're going to be going over a new feature that Solana allows cryptocurrency to do in this video, which I believe is going to translate into much more crypto adoption over time. And when that takes place, these tiny little tokens like Playdoh could absolutely soar. Why? Because more people are going to see cryptocurrency in their everyday lives. They're going to be more comfortable with it. And when they're more comfortable with it, they're more likely to buy it. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Playdoh on the screen right now. We're going to be jumping back into this in a second here, but if at any time during the video you guys feel interested in following along or buying, make sure you click that link down there, pull up the Playdoh website, and I'll show you what to do in a second. But check this out, man. This actually caught my attention, and this is very, very cool. A new Solana feature allows crypto transactions on any website. Guys, this is a game changer for making crypto even more mainstream. A lot of people right now don't know that you can use your crypto to make purchases. A lot of people think that it's just some internet, some fake money out there that you can't spend, that you can't use, that doesn't have any value. And those people that are about to see cryptocurrency popping up everywhere, and it's going to change their mentality on it. And when it does, it's going to bring in an entire new set of buyers, which is going to increase the price, especially of the little tokens out there. Solana Actions and blockchain links will allow users to create and share transactions via a URL on websites, social media platforms, and physical QR codes. The Solana Foundation is introducing a new feature that promises to connect its blockchain to any website through a shareable link. According to an announcement on June 25th, the Foundation has released Solana Actions and blockchain links, or blinks, allowing any website that can display a URL to perform a Solana transaction. This is much bigger news than a lot of people are giving it attention for. The solution will enable a shareable link to display an interface for a Solana transaction. In other words, imagine sharing a link on X and allowing users to perform a crypto transaction without leaving X's webpage. The new feature could be used for crowdfunding, online purchases, on-chain voting, and basically the sky's the limit. But what I think it's really going to do is open up a world for people who aren't on blockchain or Solscan or Dex Tools and all of these other platforms to see that cryptocurrency is real, to see that it is useful. And when they finally get that through their heads, imagine how many people are going to embrace it. Imagine how many people are going to be willing to use it, to buy it, in increasing demand in a way that we haven't seen so far. And when they do that, these tiny little tokens like Playdoh could rip higher and benefit the most. Why? Because they have the smallest market caps. The higher the risk, the higher the reward. And Playdoh is absolutely doing a phenomenal job right now embracing, I guess, the correct demographic. And then, of course, targeting that demographic. And that's what's allowing them to grow during this pullback that we've seen in the market over the last couple of days. Currently having raised $5,080,000, the Playdoh presale is selling out beautifully. Now, if you're interested in buying, you're simply going to click on Connect Wallet. I like to use Wallet Connect and scan my QR code with my wallet on my phone, and then decide how much I want to buy. So for 1 Ethereum, you're going to be walking away with 654,000 Playdoh. If you'd rather, you can come out here with a nice even number, and 1.49 Ethereum lets you walk away with 1 million Playdoh. You can also buy on the BNB network with USDT on either network, and then staking rewards are a phenomenal 131% right now. 131%, guys, is incredible, and you're not going to be getting that anywhere else, especially with a token that's doing as well as Playdoh is. So what is it? Playdoh is building a play-to-earn Doge companion game, very similar to those Tamagotchis that you had back in the 90s. And then on top of that, you're going to have side-scrolling adventures so you can relive 90s nostalgia and earn crypto along the way. Guys, you've got the Tamagotchi that you can take care of. You've got these side-scrolling adventures. You've got these little retro-style arcade mini-games that you can play. And you're going to be able to earn cryptocurrency while enjoying and entertaining yourself on your phone. Now, these games and the app are going to be released in the 4th stage of their roadmap. It says here in Phase 4, you're going to see the Playdoh app, the launch of the minigames, community airdrops, and further centralized exchange listings, hopefully Tier 1 centralized exchange listings. If you guys would like a breakdown of the tokenomics, you can see that here. And of course, you can get a walkthrough tutorial of just how easy it is to buy, stake, and claim your Dogeverse. And then of course, this is the most frequently asked question that I see, so I want to answer it in every single video. Once the pre-sale concludes, all buyers will be able to claim their Play tokens using the same wallet that they contributed with. Token claiming will take place on the BNB blockchain. And just so you guys can get a little bit better of an idea of how well they're growing their community, they're already at 5,529 followers out on X. They've got a very similar number of followers out on their Telegram, and if you click on that, you can see that they've got 6,289 followers out on their Telegram. These guys are building a community. These guys are building a game. These guys are able to build despite the recent market pullback. I think that that's an incredible testament to their strength, their dedication, and their ability to target the correct demographic. Think about it. The 90s nostalgia that you're seeing on the screen right now, it hits you a certain way. That's because they know who's interested in cryptocurrency. And once people begin to get confident again in the crypto space, once people start to move from that fear to neutral to greedy, they are going to be buying the riskiest of the risky, the smaller tokens that stand the chance of rising the most, and that's going to be Playdoh. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. I have bought in. I want to know if you guys are buying in. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.